hearing how to break down what it might mean for this Nvidia and everything else is CNBC Tech Check co-anchor Deirdre Bosa. And Deirdre, here's what's interesting. Yesterday, Howard Lutnick, I pressed him on Nvidia. I think you heard this. And he said, well, we're allowing them to sell the fourth best Nvidia chip to China. Is that how others would characterize the, what is it, the H20?
Yeah, the H20. I mean, it is not even close to any of Nvidia's best chips. But, you know, the Chinese have done a really good job around optimizing around older hardware, and that's why the H20 is valuable in China. But what I would say when we talk about this sort of Nvidia picture and what makes Wall Street so bullish, talking about and you're not crazy to say $6 trillion, Brian, at this point, it's not just about chips, it's about the whole Nvidia ecosystem. We talked about this yesterday, but the CUDA software has been so critical to Nvidia's continued success and continued dominance. And that's also why the Chinese are prepared to take this less performant H20 chip, because it operates on the software, and that's what everyone is building on, right? So that has been extremely positive for Nvidia. And even without China, I mean, the China headlines when they couldn't sell, I mean, it was a huge hit, billions and billions of dollars, yet Nvidia still continued to do well because it's only a small part of the story. There's inference, right? That comes after training. Once you have the models, it's about how much the models are being used by enterprise, by consumers every single day. That is just like a hockey stick going up and up. So it has inference in its favor. It has the huge capex you mentioned, Brian. All these companies, you had Zuckerberg this week saying he wants to spend hundreds of billions of dollars in compute capacity. We know Google's doing the same thing. You've got Project Stargate with OpenAI and Oracle. You just got a lot going in its favor. And even though there's more competition in this phase of the AI race, inference versus training, it's NVIDIA's ecosystem that keeps it so dominant, not just in China, but everywhere in the world, and its rate of progress, of course.